Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm Clarissa, an interior designer and the creative director of the Phi Studio. I love transforming places into personal masterpieces. Today, we are here at Prince Charles Crescent working on a 22-year-old condominium. This property has so much charm and endless potential, and I'm excited to show you what we've done with it. The character of this home and the family's vision for it really spoke to me. This inspired a design that's fresh but timeless, blending both style and practicality. It was important to work closely with the homeowners to understand their lifestyles and preferences. Clear communication helped shape the design, ensuring it reflected their taste while meeting their everyday needs. We also wanted to respect the original architecture of the home. Rather than overshadowing its unique features, we embraced and enhanced them, making sure the home's character shone through. Ensuring the design remained functional was key. We wanted to make sure it wasn't just visually striking, but also practical for homeowners' daily lives. We also had to balance their creative desires with practical considerations like budget and building regulations. It was always a bit of a dance between creativity and reality. There were challenges along the way, like integrating new techniques and materials with some of the older existing items. But thanks to the quick responses and good communication with the homeowners, we were able to overcome these issues. At the end of the day, the homeowner's happiness is what matters most. Seeing their smiles when they saw the completed space showed us that we met their expectations. It was a perfect blend of their vision and our expertise. Thank you for joining me today at Prince Charles Crescent project. I hope you enjoyed this tour and stay tuned for more exciting transformations on Open House. See you next time!